This is a General Motors key. It could be a Chevrolet, it could be a GMC, that kind of thing. But in this case, it's a Honda because the Honda Prologue is made by General Motors. But if it looks like this, then this process will work. So if you have a keychain on this end, you don't have to take it off. You can leave it on there. And you just, right here on this edge, you press this button. And what that does, you kind of press it in quite a ways. And what it'll do is release this end cap. And this end piece right here has a physical key on the end as well. And if you look here, basically you want to have the emblem this way, and then look right here in this little space. And then with this emblem up, you want to take this physical key and put it right into that little space right there. And then you want to pry. So you want to kind of hold it like this without pressing the buttons on the other side and pry up like so. And once you get it started, you can go ahead and set this part down. And with your hand, you just kind of open it up the rest of the way like so. Just kind of snaps in place. And just make sure that you see this rubber seal right here, silicone seal, is in place and doesn't get dislodged or separated from this piece. It should be flat like that. Now we can set this side down. Now this is where the battery is located, and it's a CR2450 battery. And there's a little spring on this side, and then there's a little catch on this side. So what you want to do is take your finger and just push this way. So you want to push and compress this spring on this side. You can't really see the spring, it's behind this cover. So you just press this way, compress the spring, and lift up a little bit. You don't want to like make it go flying across the room or anything. But once it gets past that little catch right there, then you'll be able to either just kind of dump it out, really is probably the best way to do it. And then you can see the circuit board there, and it actually says GM. And then I like the way it says CR2450. It'll let you know what battery it is, just in case you lose this battery. All right, so you get the new battery, and you just kind of plop it in there and get it caught under this side where the spring is. And then you push this way, compress that spring, and then press down. And it's very important to make sure that it's underneath this little catch right here, and that it's not, halfway down or anything. Just make sure it's all the way down there. Then you take this other cover with the green seal on it, and you just kind of place it here, and it'll kind of line up automatically, kind of. And what you want to do is, without pressing these buttons, just kind of snap it. Kind of go around. You can see where it's kind of separated there. You want to snap it in place. Go around and make sure it's all completely sealed up. There's no gaps. There's no squeaks. There's no separation or anything. It just kind of snaps in place. And then you take the physical key and put it back in. Make sure it snaps in place. And then you're all finished.